Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 4 of COTT Electronics. Today we'll be discussing VoD, which refers to the wide selection of movies you can upload in our program. The VoD and channel prompts are very similar in how they operate. For instance, like channel, the VoD films likewise have a pin that can be activated in order to set a restriction code, which will then prevent customers from accessing said film without the code. The price listing, though it indicates 0, can be changed. If you plan on selling a licensed film, you may charge the customer. The new plus and edit options are pretty straightforward this time around. You simply need to fill in the movie details such as crew, director, duration, and so forth, and a backup stream at the bottom, but more on that later. The genre option will help you categorize these movies into groups, much like it did in the channels. For VODs, we are also able to see the reviews customers leave for the movie with the ratings option, through which an overall score will be determined. After you've uploaded a film from the media files, which we will discuss in more detail later on, you may also import film information onto the device through the TMDB, which is a collective database. The TMDB fills in information such as actors, directors, writers, and the overall genre. The label option before the position will likely specify a particular language or several for a given film. The multiple labeling option can also help you with available TV shows, in which each label will represent an episode of a particular series. And with that, we conclude today's episode. Thank you for watching, and for more helpful videos from COTT Electronics, please visit our channel.